Hi little artists, welcome back to the Art Spark. Today we'll be drawing the cutest bunny together. The best part is we're going to make this very easy by using the shape of 3. Are you ready? Let's start by drawing the bunny's distinctive ears. See, when you turn it like this, it looks like a 3. This is the first 3 we will use while drawing our bunny. Now, let's get to the bunny's head and body. Believe it or not, we will also use the shape of number 3. 1 on the left and 1 on the right, like this. See, we already have the outline of the bunny. Now, let's add the paws and feet, which the bunny will use to hold her favorite carrot. Also, using number 3, we will do 1 on each side. Make sure you connect these points. Now, let's draw the carrot. We will start with the top, and then the bottom, and the carrot green, which is also a number 3. Just a 3 lying down, like the bunny ear. We also want to draw a couple lines on the carrot to make it look more real. Now, we're almost done. Just a couple of finishing touches. Let's give our bunny her beautiful eyes, her cute little mouth, and her bunny tail. She looks so adorable. Now, let's add some color to our drawing. Some pink to her ear. And her cheek. And some colors to our carrot. And we are done! I had so much fun drawing our bunny together with you today. Hope you have fun too. See you next time.